welcome back to my channel and to another video. If you missed my last video, me and Ryan actually sat down and answered some of your guys' questions for you, and a lot of you guys enjoyed that. I enjoyed it. If you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out because it was fun. But today it's another rainy, gloomy day in Ohio. I don't know, it's like springtime in fall. I have to take care of a couple of things today. We gotta send back the tuner that was hooked up to our 6.0. In my last video, I mentioned that we couldn't get it updated or connected to literally the truck or the computer. So we just have to send it in and they're gonna fix it, send it back so we can disconnect it. I wanna get the Banks one on there. I think it's gonna go great with all of our other Banks products that we already put on. So yeah, we're gonna go to the post office. I gotta go to the auto parts store to get some bolts for my shocks. So I gotta get some shock bolts so we can put my new shocks on. We did drive the truck around last night and you could definitely tell there were no rear shocks in the back. So yeah, we got some errands to run, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a build update when we get home. So get this errand stuff out of the way. We just drove to FedEx to drop Ryan's stuff off, and now we're at the post office. He's just gonna run it in there because he knows what he's doing. He's very sweet.
I can't believe this thing.
I know, I kind of already told him, like, you have to send it away for them to send it back, for us literally just to disconnect it off the truck.
I can't believe it's literally a 2017 and the thing's fried already. I don't get it. I used to have SET and Bully Dog stuff on my old Cummins, so nothing against that. Yeah, but we're gonna get this fixed up, and then when we're done, we'll have probably a usable SET out there, because I know a lot of you with 6.0s maybe want this, so we might sell it to you. Nothing against it. It's gonna be a brand new piece. We're swapping it out, but
we're just not gonna need it. So.
We're not gonna need it, yeah.
We just need to get it off the truck.
So yeah, I'm gonna run this in.
Alright, thanks. Bye.
I shake that money, man.
It's a rectangle box. It's gonna come out both ways.
They wouldn't let me throw any boxes upside down. So.
It's so chilly out. Wait, you didn't want to take the other one out? When I ordered them for this truck, they were the universal ones for the rear, because we took the Zone kit and bought all like the BDS shocks almost. But pretty much these upper forward mounts, the bushing is on the frame, so we got to get this bushing out of the shock, and then we can put it back in. I forgot about that. Yikes.
What's up, you guys? It's the next day. Me and Ryan finished up the rear shocks last night. I helped Ryan finish up his ABS lines and his speakers, so it's now the next day and we're gonna do a little bit of a truck update for you guys because it's wild right now. I pretty much have every obstacle playing against me right now. We're still waiting on our rocker panels and we're gonna do those and the cab corners. I never showed you guys, but we did actually order those and they've been here for a few days, so I'll show you guys really quick. It's not really exciting, but it's kind of cool to see, I guess. Is this cool to see?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is our cab corner, one of them. Yeah, so we have these ready to go. But if we're gonna do those, we need to do the rocker panels too. So I kind of never showed you guys up close of these rocker panels. Yeah, I barely even touched that. They're just rusted out, of course. So we're gonna replace these and our cab corners too, which are it's just filled with spray foam, so you can like punch through it probably. And then we'll be ready to paint the truck blue. We got someone to haul it down for us, and we did plan a weekend, so it's gonna be a couple weeks from now. It's gonna be a few weeks from now. It's gonna be a little bit, but we still have some prepping to do, but still waiting. So when we take the truck down, we're probably gonna have it down there for 2 weekends. It's probably gonna take 2 weekends to do the whole thing. We're probably gonna do the doors and the hood and all that stuff.
I think you said doors, hood, and bed.
While we're waiting on everything else, we plan to take the wheels and tires to get mounted, kind of just so it's done. And then next would be the lift, but we do have to wait on the lift too. It's not gonna fit in the booth, the paint booth, if we lift it now. So no rush on the powder coat really right now. We may end up throwing some of the small like lift kit parts in the oven if, you know, we run out of things to do. I hate to say it, but we're really just playing the waiting game right now. I'm really excited to get those wheels and tires mounted though, because they've been sitting, well, the wheels have been sitting in a box for so long, and I want to just like look at them, you know.
I know.
You know the feeling?
I know.
Like it's just, I'm like waiting on everything. I'm getting really impatient too. I think it sucks more that like my exciting stuff is just like sitting there. Literally, lift kit, wheels, tires, what else? Bear with me. She will be done very, very soon. Hopefully before December. I said it was going to be done in September, so we're doing great.
A little behind on that.
But before December, I really, really hope a lot of it's done and we just have some small pieces. But life is just working in some weird ways right now. So
yep, 100%.
We'll see how it goes. But are you okay?
Yeah.
While we were standing here, I was just thinking of another thing we could do. I still want to order some headlights for the truck. I think we're going to customize them and kind of do our own little thing with them. So maybe look forward to that in the next few videos. We should just order those. I'll order those tonight. Yeah. So I'll update you guys on that when we get there, but that's just another thing to look forward to. I'm actually excited for that. I totally forgot.
I know. We have to find some taillights too.
Yeah. So we finished up these rear shocks yesterday. Honestly, I've never done shocks and it was like a really, really simple process. But I do also feel like I couldn't do it by myself. So thank you.
You're welcome. These are the shocks that go on the 6-inch lift. They're just on here, as you can see. Look at how compressed they are.
So little.
Yeah, they're so compressed, but you know, the factory ones were trash, so just replace them with these.
I also went ahead and ordered some new cab lights, random things to add to the list, but I thought I would show you guys. I don't even know if I've opened this. So we just got some clear cab lights. You can replace the orange ones on there because we don't like those, or the amber ones. Those obviously won't go on until later, but thought I would show you guys anyway. Super exciting stuff. What are your feelings on the build?
No, I really want to get it done. I want to get it lifted, and honestly, for doing the suspension, I added some different parts when we got it ordered, so it's gonna look super sweet in the front wheel well. It's just, I'm excited to get it done, but it's just like Ohio and the cold air.
It's literally rained like 4 days in a row now. That's why it's Wednesday.
Here's literally the problem. Ohio's great, but like I spend all my time outside, so if I have to spend my time outside in the cold, it's not really fun. So we need like
a shop with heat.
Heated shop. also air conditioned.
And like the projects we have to do are gonna be like really big, like the rocker panels, rocker panels and cab corners. Probably are gonna take what, a couple like all-nighters, to be honest.
Yeah, and that's what I'm just like.
Weld and do the body work and stuff. So wow, this is a lot.
And it sucks. The same thing, like neighbors complain. It's just like there's so many things like here and there. It's just like
it's not like it's tough. It's tough.
It is tough. It is really tough.
But I hope you guys understand, like, both of us. We are trying our best, but holy cowsies, we've had every obstacle in the world come up and it's just against us. So.
Yeah, no, seriously, it literally.
Can you hold this? Because
I can hold you.
Why are you yawning?
Because I'm tired of this bullshit.
But alright, to be honest, you guys, that's pretty much all I have for you on the truck update. I hope I filled you in a little bit more. Definitely look forward to the next couple videos. We'll definitely order those headlights tonight, and hopefully those rocker panels come very, very, very soon, because that's gonna go ahead and finish up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.